Hello, welcome to um, Unicorn Princess Tarot. Let's start the reading. This is for the sign of Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Sorry about, late ako mag-upload ngayon kasi medyo nagko-concentrate po ako. Thank you po sa mga nag-avail ng astrological reading and ngayon marami pa pong naka-line up but medyo late akong nakakapag-upload dito sa YouTube because nagko-concentrate akong mauna ko sila. So what do we have here? Earth sign. You do have here the privileged lady. Earth sign. High honor. Wow. So, sa mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe, pa-subscribe na lang po ha. Pa-comment dyan sa baba kahit po heart-heart lang, smileys. And feel free to, like and share. May nakukuha akong angel number like 222, 2222. Okay, and I can also see like big change is about to happen here. Yung iba sa inyo, you could be dealing with two people. I can see two people here. Yung iba could be someone working in a government or could be someone who is, an army or someone, kung hindi man siya, maybe yung magulang niya, policeman or maybe someone with, higher reputation. Kung hindi man siya mismo, maybe yung magulang niya or close relatives mula sa taong to. And you do have your privilege, lady, so you are someone na mataas din ang status mo. You are someone na maybe, I am seeing also rebellious energy in the past coming from you. So, pwedeng may mga bagay kang inisip or ginawa maybe nung kabataan mo or during your early days or early years. And you are also someone na pag may giniit ka, may gusto ka, gagawin mo talaga yun or ipipilit mo talaga yun. And this person, the other person, you could be dealing with two people. Nakikita natin ito as someone who is maayos ang buhay din. Like, I mean, honestly, if I would look at these cards, mas malapit or mas, maybe the age gap sa inyo ng isang person is mas malapit compared to the other person. You could be dealing with someone na mas bagay sa'yo. And the other person is like, napipilitan ka lang or hindi mo sure but yeah. I feel like some of you yun yung nagiging hadlang sa inyo ng connection na ito. Sa inyo na itong person na ito. And yeah, nung pagtingin ko sa recording ng aking phone, I just saw the number 333. So, it's like an angel number for you. And for me, it is showing us like connection wherein three people are involved. So, this could be you, and then the two people nakakonect mo. And kung hindi ka nakaka-relate, wag ipilit ha, kasi, this is not for everyone. Judication is here. This is number 30. And I feel like you're having this decision or thinking, alin ba? Sino ba? Ano ba dapat kong gawin? Or maybe you're quite thinking, nakikita natin nahihirapan ka magdesisyon or mag-decide regarding sa connection mo with these two people. So anyway, let's talk about your emotions. Hihiwalayin ko kasi magkaibang energy nakuha ko eh. So, hindi siya coming from the same person. Emotions mo. towards the wealthy man. You do have here, stay optimistic about your love life. How about with the official person? Emotions mo. You do have your codependency. Emotions ng official person towards you. You do have your playfulness, emotions ng wealthy man towards you. You do have your release your ex. Pay attention to the red flags, passion, and there's a lot. Engagement is here. True love is at the bottom of the deck, and you do have your new love. Whoever this new love is, mas dito ko nariramdaman yung love. Love sa inyong dalawa. Kung sino yung mas bago, or sino yung new person. So, yun nakikita natin na mas nagkakaroon ng love or deserve na connection sa inyong dalawa. Like, you deserve this person deserves you. And mas maganda kung magkakaroon ng nakakita ko ngayon ng like a vine, alam mo yung vine, yung halaman na parang gumagapang, and then it's like nag-intertwined or nagkaroon ng pagpulupot sa inyo. So it's like some kind of a connection wherein pwedeng may mga kanya-kanya kayong direction, pero parang ang ending nito is like both of you will still unite, and mas magiging maganda or mas mapapalago pag ganun ang connection or ang emotions or situation ninyo. Anyway, let's talk about your emotion. With regards to the wealthy man, I feel like you're being optimistic or positive, or you feel like may pag-asa. I feel like you want to give something to this person. I mean, yung iba naman, not necessarily may pag-asa, but for what I can see here, you are willing to give something na kahit wala kang bumalik or walang masyadong gawain or sabihin, itong person na to, it doesn't matter, it's just that you want to give this, you want to offer this. Emotions mo para sa kanya is that importante siya sa'yo, and yeah, it feels like pwedeng ito nagbibigay sa'yo ng positivity. So with regards to the other person, nakakonect mo, nakikita natin na pwedeng some kind of like addiction. So when I say addiction, it's something na mahirap alisin or alisan. It's like a connection wherein maybe you are obsessed, or this person is obsessed towards you, or maybe this is something na you would know if this person is the one that you deserve, or sorry, baliktad, you would know kung itong person na to is hindi mo deserve or hindi ka dapat magstay dito sa person na to. Kung katulad ng isang addiction, pangit yung nagiging kinakalabasan ng buhay mo, no? Instead of you na nagiging maganda, maayos, 'di ba? Namamali ang iyong direksyon, pumapangit ang buhay mo, pumapangit ang itsura mo, katawan mo, maybe you're being stressed or nagmumukha kang losyang babae man or lalaki, you would know. Okay? And I feel like may energy na napipilitan. So, how about dun sa mga person mo, anong emotions nila towards you? The other person, nakikita natin siya as someone who is feeling a lot of pagkagusto sa'yo. This person sees you as, especially kung malayo ang age gap ninyo or malayo ang itsura ninyo sa isa't isa, like you look cute, you look pretty, tapos siya mukhang parang ano, hindi ganun ka-pogian or kagandahan. But anyway, it doesn't matter. Or maybe the age gap. Ayan. So, gusto ka niya kasi because nakikita ka niya as someone who is perfect, and especially your outward personality, your appearance, yun yung nagustuhan niya sa'yo. And with regards to this person, could be someone who has this fun spirit. So, pwedeng kengkoy or maloko, and this person is using that para maging mas creative pa sa connection ninyo, or para magustuhan mo siya. Like, maybe ito yung strength niya. Magaling siyang makipag-connect or communicate or magsalita. Okay. And I feel like you're also giving this person lahat. But the problem is, walang naibabalik sa'yo, or hindi niya naibabalik yung mga binibigay mo. Pwedeng ganun. Or hindi equal yung ibinibigay nyo sa isa't isa. So anyway, the other person is someone na pwedeng, could be an ex or someone in the past. I'm seeing this as someone na pwedeng na-release or inilisan mo. Emotions niya para sa'yo, there's a lot of passion, a lot of love, a lot of something na gusto niyang i-express to you in private, and gusto kanyang makausap, makita, and this person wants to talk to you na kayong dalawa lang. Maybe marami kayong dapat pag-usapan na kayong dalawa lang, and pwedeng hindi nagkakaroon ng chance ng ganun. So, maybe there's communication, pero hindi kasi yun sapat, or hindi kasi yun enough para sa kanya para i-express or sabihin yung mga gusto niya sabihin sa'yo. Okay? Maybe, I'm feeling like a guide. So, maybe this person is guiding you kung ano yung tamang direction, kung ano yung magandang gawin sa buhay mo. Engagement is here, so nakita ko ng person who is ready to commit sa'yo. I feel like itong person na to, if this is the new person, gusto niyang tignan mo yung mga red flags. Parang gusto kanyang gisingin. If ever that you are in a relationship, in a connection with the other person in your life, itong person na itong new person na to, parang gusto kanyang gisingin. Bakit parang ang tanga-tanga mo? Bakit pinapayagan mo ganito, ganyan? Bakit hinahayaan mong sirain ang buhay mo, or magamit ka ng taong yan? Like this person is the one who wants to tell you all the red flags dun sa isang person na kakonect mo. So, that's the energy na nakukuha ko. But anyway, because 3 people yung involved dito, I don't know kung saan ka doon. Just, ikaw na magsabi. Ikaw na makapagsabi kung saan ka doon. And, yeah, true love is here. So, this could be a person na nagpapakita ng totoong emotions papunta sa'yo, but nakakamoy ako ng popcorn. This could be a reading. What will happen in the future for you? What will happen in the near future para sa connection ninyo for the sign of Earth sign? In the near future for you, Earth sign, you do have your date, Cupid's arrow, mask, and twin flame. Same energy ang nakuha ko, or same cards ang lumabas. I don't know if you're dealing with a water sign. Kung hindi ako nagkakamali, sa water sign ko to nakita kanina. Because bago ko gawin itong reading na to, then i-check mo na lang yung reading water sign Philippines, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Doon ko siya in-upload, but I feel like this is the same energy, the same cards ang lumabas. Or pwede rin namang hindi, I don't know. You could be dealing with a twin flame. Who is this? What will happen in the near future? Please, wait, guys. Please tell me. The Phoenix and stab in the back. Separation, not today, and heartbroken is here. Hand of cards. Clock, and at the bottom of the deck, there's karmic relationship. Oh my gosh. Some of you, if you're dealing with a twin flame, something sa connection ninyo is about to end. Like maybe connection with, you know, maybe with other people. Maybe you do have your twin flame, and I can see na this person is coming back. But high chance na babalik siya, but there's no emotions na ipapakita, or medyo both of you will be close, or hindi open pagdating sa emotions ninyo. But I can see you getting back out there, getting back the connection. With regards to the other person na kakonect mo, high chance that some kind of pain ang pwedeng maramdaman niya in the near future, because maybe pwedeng malaman niya or mabalitaan niya yung with regards to you and the other person, and it is going to be heartbreaking para sa kanya. Nakakamoy nga pala ako ng chicken. This could be a reading. Anyway, the other person, I can see that there's going to be a separation here sa side niya. This is showing to me as like the other option. Maybe there's a separation with regards sa isa pang sa other options niya. Maybe this is someone that has something to do with children, or someone na malapit sa kanya. Or maybe may kinalaman sa kanyang mga nakaka-connect ngayon na malapit sa kanya. Maybe a mother or a father, it doesn't matter, but maybe there's a child na involved. Yeah, I can see parents. Oh, and then this person could be in a relationship with someone else, pero pwedeng, or he or she could also be a parent na already. So, ganun. But I can see that meron siya mga bagay na hindi papakinggan or iiwasan pagdating sa connection nila. And then I can see separation. I can see pwedeng mag-end. Because there's a lot of doubt, pag-aalangan, and period. Yeah, I can see the word period. So, tuldok yun, no? So, pwedeng matuldukan yung connection nila. Yeah, the clock is here. So, malapit nang matapos itong karmic relationship. And I feel like this is the person nakakonect mo, wherein there's attachment. Okay, but girl with the snake is here. So and there's a lot of narcissist energy here na parang ayoko na ng ganito kasi masyadong narcissist masyadong parang ganun yung feeling niya, na parang may mga bagay or situation sa kanilang paulit-ulit, or mga boses or mga sinasabing paulit-ulit na para sa person mo, hindi ko na gusto yung ganun. I want to, I need to take power, and nagkakaroon siya ng courage ngayon to do that, to end whatever needs to end here. So, ayun ang ating reading for you. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all, and bye-bye.